This 3D model took about 3 minutes to make. No sculpting, no cleanup marathon, no retopology spiral at 2 a.m., and no emotional damage this time. I uploaded a few photos, clicked generate, and the AI handled the rest. No, let's slow down before this turns into another A. I changed my life moment. Because most AI 3D tools are really good at one thing, looking amazing for about 5 seconds. Then you open the file in real software, rotate the camera once, and everything breaks. Bad meshes, fused parts. Textures sliding around like they're trying to escape the scene. It's confidence right up until reality shows up. I spent a full week testing Rodin Gen 2. No, just clicking buttons and calling it a review. I actually used it in real workflows. I pushed it, tried to break it, and tested where it politely lies to you. And honestly, it didn't fall apart immediately, which already puts it ahead of most tools. Here's the usual problem with the i3D models. They come as one solid piece, one big object, one unstoppable 3D potato. Very smooth. Very useless. You can't rig it. You can't animate it. You can't really do anything with it without hours of cleanup and career doubts. Rodin Gen 2 claims it fixes that. Cleaner meshes, separate parts, better textures, big claims. So I treated it like it needed to earn my trust. I didn't go easy on it. I gave it complex shapes, multiple materials, and shiny surfaces. Exactly the stuff AI tools usually panic over. I uploaded 3 reference images, though you can also generate with just one. The AI fills in the rest, which sounds impressive until you remember. Guessing is where AI usually gets creative in the wrong way. A few minutes later, this was the result. The shape looked right. The pose made sense. Most of the details were there. It passed the immediately unusable test, and that bar is unfortunately very low. Most AI 3D tools give you one result. If it's bad, that's on you. There goes a credit. Rodin lets you regenerate the same prompt up to 50 times with no extra cost. You compare versions, keep the best one, and move on. That's nice. But that's still not the part that actually matters. One click, and the model splits into separate parts. Real parts, actual individual meshes. You can rig them, animate them, assign materials without fighting your software. If you've ever cleaned iGeometry by hand, you already know why this matters. Most tools give you one fused model and basically say, good luck, and then quietly disappear. Here, that work is already done. There's even a preview before you commit, so you know exactly what you're getting. Now let's talk about where it struggles. Big surfaces look solid, but small details can drift. Some textures don't line up perfectly and fine details can soften, depending on the reference images. Normal maps help preserve surface detail, and textures are pulled directly from your inputs, which is both a strength and a limitation. Is it perfect? No. On complex models, I'd put it around 80% accuracy. But that trade-off matters. 80% done in minutes beats 0% done. I exported everything model, textures, maps, and opened it in production software because the parts were already separated. Setup was fast. Rigging was easy. Materials were easy. Cleanup was minimal. A job that usually takes 2 or 3 hours took about 20 minutes. That's the difference between a cool demo and something you actually use. Here's the honest verdict. Rodin Gen 2 isn't for hero characters, but for props, environments, background assets, and fast concepts. It saves serious time. No, here's the real problem. Making one good 3D model isn't hard anymore. The real challenge is consistency. Same character, different angles, different scenes. That's where most AI tools completely fall apart. Like they forget what they just made 5 seconds ago. Hit subscribe if you want me to keep testing these tools, and drop a comment with what you've made. I want to see it.